Spatial Changes of Development in Sri Lanka. Grade 9 Geography, Unit 3. What is development? Development is the improvement of the quality of life of people in economic, social, and cultural aspects. Development differs from country to country and from region to region. The industrial or commercial improvement causes to develop economy of a country. It helps people in that particular country to earn more. If a country is socially developed, there must not be lack of food and nourishment, health facilities, the opportunities for education, housing schemes, social security, opportunities for leisure and recreational activities, human freedom, etc. If a country is culturally developed, there must be equal opportunities for males and females. There shouldn't be caste discriminations or gender discriminations. With all these factors, people can have improved standard of living fulfilling these three aspects. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization has provided a definition for development. In a country, social development should take place along with economic development. Social development should take place within sectors encompassing food and nutrients, health, education, housing, social security, clothing, leisure, and human freedom. The definition of development can be changed from time to time. The development of the country is measured with different development indicators. We call them development indices as well. In Sinhala we call it Samvardhana Darshaka. These are the development indicators we use to measure development of any country. Per capita income, infant mortality rate, life expectancy at birth, literacy. Now let's discuss about these indicators one by one. Per capita income. Ekashirsha Adayama. What is the definition for per capita income? The amount of money that is being earned per person in a country in a given period is called per capita income. How is it calculated? The total income of the country has to be divided by mid-year population. Good living condition can be assured if there's a good per capita income in any country. Economical development will be achieved when the self-employment's industrial section, technology are improved step by step. The second development index is infant mortality rate. Ladaru Marananupatya. What is the definition? The number of deaths of infants under the age 1 year per 1,000 live births is called infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate depends on few factors. Infant mortality rate will be decreased if there is a well-facilitated health and medical section in a country. Not only that, people must follow good health habits as well. Especially women who are having good health practices can deliver healthy babies. It will pose to reduce infant mortality rate. The nutritional level of mothers is another factor that decides the infant mortality rate. Mothers who have good nutritional level can deliver healthy babies. Premature births, giving birth to sick babies can cause due to poor nutritional level of mothers. Education is also important to minimize the infant mortality rate. Education awares people on the importance of minimizing infant mortality rate. People who have good education know how to maintain their personal health and also to protect others' health. The third development factor is life expectancy at birth. උපතේදී ආයු අපේක්ෂාව. Life expectancy is the average time a newborn is expected to live. Healthcare facilities, provision of food and nutrition, good health practices, sports and leisure assure the life expectancy at birth. The last development factor is literacy. සාක්ෂරතාව. Literacy is the ability of reading and writing of individuals of above 15 years of age. How is it calculated? It is calculated as a percentage of the whole population over 15 years old. To have a favorable literacy rate in a particular country, there must be an improvement of the field of education. Especially, facilities of the schools need to be improved. Less poverty and having better social background of families also may cause to develop literacy rate. Look at the chart to study the per capita income in Sri Lanka. Monthly per capita income in Sri Lanka in 2009 is about 36,451. When you look at the chart, there you can see the per capita income is varied in different districts in Sri Lanka. This table shows you infant mortality rate in the districts of Sri Lanka in 2010. According to the World Bank reports, the infant mortality rate was 8.4 in 2015 in Sri Lanka. When you look at the data given in the table, you can see different infant mortality rate is there in different districts. This table shows you the life expectancy at birth according to the districts of Sri Lanka. The life expectancy of the whole population of Sri Lanka is about 72.2. It differentiates based on the gender. Females 78.6, male 72. This graph shows you the proportional literacy rate based on districts 2002. Sri Lanka has a higher literacy rate among South Asian countries. Literacy rate differs due to urban, rural, estate sectors in Sri Lanka. Urban 94.7, rural 91.8, estate 74.3. Click the link in the description box to do the quick test. Like, comment, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel Academic Mind. Enjoy learning with us. Have a good day.